You also testified, Brigadier, that you made an application to obtain, in terms of Section 205, to obtain the bank records. Do you recall that?
Yes, I do recall, my lord.
What was the purpose of that application?
Investigation and gathering of evidence, my lord.
To investigate what? I do understand there is a different application in terms of Section 205 of the CPA, but this one relates to the bank records. Why did you have to make an application to get the bank records from the bank, from the respective banks in relation to the accused?
Investigation, that's what I've said, my lord.
You had testified that this was a contract killing. You confirm that, Brigadier?
Yes, I've testified that the evidence gathered, my lord, indicated that it was a contractual killing.
According to your investigations, Brigadier, how much was paid?
My lord, the amount that I can recall, for example, with accused number 2, he says he was given 15,000 first, and then subsequently then he was given 30,000. So if you conclude that amount, it goes to 45,000. I think accused 1 also in his confession indicates the amount he received. I just don't know. I don't recall the exact numbers, my lord. But insofar as accused number 2, I do recall that it comes to a total of 45,000.
And who paid these amounts? Do you know?
My lord, it is clear. It's indicated in Exhibit JJ. Accused 2 indicates who gave him the money. The balance was given by accused number 5, the 30,000 to accused number 2.
And who was the source of this amount, of the payment?
It was the accused, my lord, because I'm dealing with evidence. The accused paid the other accused. That's the evidence that we've got. But the indication is that the contractual or the sparking point is Ms. Kelly Nxumalo.
Let me ask the question in the manner that you want me to ask it. Is there any chain of money from Ms. Kelly Nxumalo to the accused?
No, not electronically, my lord. There's no electronic evidence. In other words, money being transferred from her bank accounts to the accused.
So, what you are saying, Brigadier, in another way, from the bank records that you received from the respective banks, there was no evidence to suggest that there was any payment from Ms. Kelly Nxumalo into the respective account.
Indeed, I agree, my lord, but there was also not such assertions. As I'm saying, the payments that we are aware of were made in cash. As to how they got to the accused, who pay other accused, we don't have that chain of electronic transfer. The money was paid in cash to the other accused by the accused themselves, my lord.
Did Mr. Mapisa receive any payment according to your investigations? Is there any payment that you received?
Yeah, my lord, I think I'll have to come back to this one because I do know there may be 1 or 2 statements that I may want to verify that aspect before I respond correctly, my lord.